Thanks for hanging out. Still working on the t-shirts. This week I noticed that there's no glamping shirts for dudes. Glamping supposedly is just for women, but it takes two to glamp. I made a glamping shirt, and while I'm doing that, I'm also reviewing the shirts we got from Redbubble. So I'm making a shirt while reviewing a shirt. They're different shirts. When they say rush, they mean it. This is from Redbubble, and I ordered these a week ago. You may remember the video. I'll put a link in the description. Everyone should be making their own t-shirts, especially if you're an artist. Let's find out if Redbubble's the place where we're gonna get our t-shirts from. So this is the package it comes in, which is pretty funky. Let's open it up. All right, first t-shirt out of the bag. Now, I ordered 4 because I ordered one for every member of my family. Feels nice. This is the women's extra small. Juno!
Yeah?
Your shirt came in?
Yay.
All right, check it out. Tell me what you think. Redbubble comes with a neat little tag, and it's clipped on here, and it also has what looks like removable tags in the shirt. I can't believe it, they fit 4 shirts in here. Next, I have the small men's, and it's just a basic t-shirt, and I'm really impressed with how thick it is. I wasn't expecting it to be thick, which is the type of shirt I like. Looking at the print quality, you know, it's okay. I think it could be a little bit better. But let's see what Isaiah thinks. Isaiah, here's your shirt. What do you think?
Feels soft. And it looks cool. So.
Sandra might be a little upset about this, but I got her a medium instead of a small, so we'll see how that goes. Sandra!
Yes.
I got your shirt.
Nice. Thank you very much.
How's it feel?
Feels good. You can see the printing up close. It has a bit of smell, but I think that's because it is whatever is sealing the printing on. Feels like nice printing though.
I ordered a medium men's. It's printed on a Gildan. I like Gildan. I'm definitely going to like this shirt. Let's see the quality of the printing on that. It's a bit better because it's a bit bigger than what was on Isaiah's and Juno's. Overall, pretty good, but there's one little white speck in there, so I'm not happy about that. But overall, you know, not bad. I think the colors are a little dim from what I was expecting, so I have to pay attention to that. Now, that's something I have to work on for my shirts to make sure the colors are a bit brighter. Overall, not bad. Okay, so they do give a warning about the weird odor that Sandra pointed out. And it says it's used in the process to print the design. So to de-smell it, wash in cold water and hang dry, and any residue will go away too. They recommend that you wash them in cold water and not dry them. So we'll see just how it goes. I'm gonna go try it on and you all can tell me how it looks. Everybody pose like the Incredibles. Everybody happy with the shirt? It looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah? Keep tabs on my next design, and for all you artists out there, start designing your shirts.